Let's talk about this expansion next. 2x minus 3 whole power 6. This time the power given is 6 and there is a term 2x minus 3. How do we go about solving this one? Let's take a look at the solution. So 2x minus 3 whole power 6 can be expanded by taking first term as 2x, second term as minus 3. Power 6 would imply that your term start with 6c 0. First term, that is 2x power 6, second term power 0. Second term power 0 is simply 1. This is 2x power 6. Next term 6c1, that's the next term. First term, that is 2x power, first term of the binomial 2x power 5 and the second term of the binomial minus 3 power 1 is what you get in this term. Okay. Then you have 6c2, okay, 2x power 4 minus 3 power 2. Observe carefully that the power of 2x has reduced by 1, power of minus 3 is increased by 1 in 6c2. After that you will have 6c3, okay, let's write 6c3. Now what is that? What will that have? 2x power 3 minus 3 power 3, this will be there in 6c3. Next, plus 6c4, then you have 2x power 2 minus 3 power 4, this is what you get. Next term 6c5, 2x power 1 minus 3 power 5. What about the last term? That is 6c6 times minus 3 power 6. This is what you have in the last term, right? Take a look at this carefully. Then simplify this, simplify each of these terms. How do we do that? So for that I need the value of 6c0. Now NC0 is always 1, so 6c0 is 1. This is 2x whole power 6. This will be 2 power 6 times x power 6. Now what is 2 power 6 equal to? 2 power 6 is 64. This is 64 x power 6 plus the next term 6c1. NC1 is n. So 6c1 is 6 times 2x power 5. That is 2 power 5 times x power 5. What is 2 power 5? This is 32 x power 5. This is minus 3 over here. That's in the product once again. What else? Plus 6c2. Now what is 6c2 equal to? Focus. 6c2 is 6 times 5 upon 2 times 1. Yes? Let's write it as that. What is 2x power 4? 2x power 4 is 2 power 4 times x power 4. And 2 power 4 is further 16. So this is 16 x power 4. What is minus 3 square? Minus 3 square will be actually plus 9. So this is 9 plus. What is 6c3 equal to? 6c3 is 654 upon 321. Right? 654 in the numerator over 321 in the denominator. That's what you have, right? 2x power 3 will be 2 power 3, 8x power 3, which is 8x power 3. What is minus 3 power 3? There will be, since it is odd power, there will be a minus there remaining, and 3 power 3 is simply 27. So this is minus 27. What about 6c4? The term of 6c4, this term over here. 6c4 is similar to 6c2. 6c4 is same as 6c2. So this will be 6 times 5 over 2 times 1. What is 2x whole square? 2x whole square will be 2 square times x square. 2 square is 4 and x square. This is what you have, right? What else? Minus 3 whole power 4. This will be positive 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is 81. So this will be 81 multiplied over here. What is 65? 65 is simply 6. Okay. And 2x power 1 will be simply 2x. Minus 3 power 5. Now that is interesting. This will be minus of 3 power 5. Since the power is odd, there will be a minus remaining. So this is minus of 3 power 5. Now what is 3 power 5 equal to? 3 power 5 is simply 243. So this is minus of 243 in the product over here. What else? The last term. Let me write the last term over here. 66 is 1 and minus 3 power 6. What is that? This is minus power 6 will be positive and 3 power 6 is same as 9 cube or whatever you want to call it, 27 square, that is 729. This is 729, right? So what all have I used over here? Let me just write them again, that I have used a few things over here. I have written 6c2 as 6 factorial over 2 factorial 4 factorial, which actually simplifies to 6 into 5 over 2 factorial, which is 2 into 1. I have used this, one of these things. Then I have also used 6c3 is equal to 6 factorial by 3 factorial 3 factorial. This simplifies to 6 3.54 times 3 factorial, and 3 factorial will get cancelled. Another 3 factorial which will remain here is this. So I've used 6E3, I've written 6E3 as this. Is that it? Okay? Yes. I've also used the powers of 3. Now what powers of 3 have I used over here? 3 power 3. 3 power 2 you are aware of. 3 power 2 is 9. 3 power 3 is 27. 3 power 4 will be 27 times 3, which is 81. 3 power 5 will be 81 times 3, which is, and 3 power 6 will be 243 times 3, which is 729. 729 is also 9 cube. It is also equal to 27 square. It is also equal to 27 square. Right. So this is something that I've used over here. Yes. Should we also remember these things? Yes. These 3 powers. Yes, you should remember. You should be aware of these things beforehand. Right. Okay. So what next? This simplifies to, this is 1 times 64, which is simply 64 x power 6. What is this? This is 6 times minus 3. There will be a minus first of all. Okay. This 6 times 3, which is 18. 18 times 32 is what we are supposed to find over here. Or for that matter, you can multiply this 3 by this 32 by this 3. This is 96 times 6 is what we are interested in. And how do we find that? Let's take a look at this. This is 32 times, let's multiply 32 and 18. Seems easier. 32 and 18. Okay. What does that give me? 8 times 2 is 16. 6, 1 carry, 8, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27. 2 carry, 3, 1, 3, 5. This is what I get, 576. 32 times 18 is 576. So you get a minus 576 x power 5. This here is my rough work, right? Okay, 576 x power 5. What about this? Let's simplify this somehow. And I have a 2 over here. This gets cancelled with this. There will be 8 at the top. And we have 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. And this is 3 times 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's not worry about that. 72 times 3 is what we are interested in. Okay. 72 times 3, that is 216, right? 216. So this is 2160 plus 2160 x power 4. That is what you get over here. 2160 x power 4. That's what you get over here. What about the next one? There's a minus remaining over there. Yes. The first thing we observe is this minus. Then we observe that some terms get cancelled. 3 times 2 is 6. This will get cancelled. And what else remains is this. You have 5 times 4 times 2 times 27. Okay. Now 5 times 2 is 10. Let's not worry about that 2. Another 2 remains in this 4. 2 times 8 is 16. And 16 times 27 is what we are interested in. Okay. 16 times 27. 16 is 2 power 4. 27 is 3 power 3. Now what will they multiply to? They will be equal to actually 6 power 3 times 2. 6 power 3 is 216 times 2 is 432, and 4320 is what you'll get. 4320. This is x power 3. 4320 x power 3. Yes. Can we also confirm that? Confirm that? Yes, maybe. This is 8 and 27. 8 and 27 is 2 power 3, 3 power 3, which is actually 6 power 3. 6 power 3 is 216. 216 times 2. 2 from here would be equal to 432. 432 times 10 is 4320. Right. That's okay. What else? What else? Let's move on further. And next we talk about this. 2 times 2 is 4. So in this question, what do you have? In this part, in this term, what you have is this 5 times 2, which is 10. 6 times 81. Let's multiply them together. Okay. Right. So there's a 3 hidden over there. 3 will go to 81 and it will become 243. Okay. There's a 2 remaining over there. 243 times 2 will be 486. Right. And there's a 10. So this will be 4860. Right. And what's the power of x that will you have? X power 2 is what you'll have over there. What about the next one? There's nothing in the denominator. That's okay. So only the numerators will be found. There's a minus over there. So let's write a minus first of all. This 6, there's a 3 hidden over there. 3 times 2 times 2, and this is 243. Okay. So one thing is we multiply these two together and we'll multiply this by 12. Another idea is that it is easy to double and all. So there's a 3 hidden over here. Let's guess this 3 to 243. It becomes 729, right? 729 times 2 is what we are supposed to find. 729 times 2 is 14 1458. 1458 times 2 will be 2916. 2916. So 1458, 28, 29 and 16. This will be 2916. 2916 and this will be x plus 729. Is it all? Yes, this is the final expansion, and yes, that is my answer for this question. Let me get a side for you to take a look at this. That's all for this question.